Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with me 2525. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to automatically highlighting the active cell in Excel, then adding a button to start and stop the highlighting and ensure the cell reverts to its original color after the selection. Let's get started. Now we need to add some VBA code to highlight the active cell. To do this, press Alt F11 to open VBA editor or go to developer, then select Visual Basic. Now copy and paste this code in the code that I will leave it in the description section for you to this workbook code window. Close the editor. Next, we will add button to start and stop the highlighting. Go to the Developer tab, click on Insert under the Control group, select Button, Form Control, and draw it on the sheet. When you release the mouse button, the Assign Macro window will appear. Select the Start Highlight macro and click OK. Repeat the process to create another button. Draw that button, and when the Assign Macro window appears, select the Stop Highlight macro and click OK. Let's name the button to start and stop by right-click on the button and then edit text. The same procedure for the next button. Right-click, edit text, and stop highlight. Let's test the button. Click the Start Highlight button to enable highlighting. Now, as you click around different cells, they should be highlighted in yellow. Click the Stop Highlight button to disable the highlighting. Right-clicking different cells, they should no longer be highlighted. And this code, it will help you to highlight the active cell automatically. Also to keep the origin color after you deselect the cell. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive more video tutorial about Excel and Word every week. Thank you.